Springboard's new program resource site. The site holds all of the resources you need for your Springboard program. The homepage is also the program resources page, and this page is organized chronologically for the Springboard program, beginning with professional development, enrollment, and Ready Week, and then moving into the steps of the FELA. You can click on one of the links at the top of the page to go directly to that section or scroll down the page. If I click on Enrollment and Family Outreach, I'm taken directly to that section on the page. Each section is organized with folders and then also a table of contents document. This table of contents document lists the resources that are in that category or in that step of the FELA, as well as the name of the folder that that resource can be found in. And these folders are the same folder names that are on the program resource site. So if I'm looking for the family invitation letter, I see it's in the family invitation letter folder. And over on the program resource site, here's the family invitation letter, and that takes me directly to the linked Google folder with the family invitation letters. Then I can click the one that I'm looking for, download the letter, and edit it to send to families. Back on the program resource site, scrolling down now, I see each of the steps of the FELA, and they're organized in the same way with folders and a table of contents. The student instruction section, step 4D, practice with your teacher, is organized slightly differently in that there are also buttons for each level of the curriculum, so you can go directly to the level that you're teaching. Clicking on one of these buttons, level A, takes you directly to level A curriculum materials, so all of the lesson plans and corresponding materials that are needed for level A. That just cuts down on a couple of clicks to get you to the level that you might be teaching. At the bottom of the page are additional resources. Each of these icons are linked to other websites that are useful for your Springboard program. So clicking on Raz Plus will take you to the Raz Plus site, Connect Educator to Connect Educator, etc. The second page on the program resource site is the Leadership Hub, and this Leadership Hub page is designed specifically for those in the Springboard manager roles, so program leaders and program coaches. This page also has a Leadership Hub table of contents that lists the resources in this section and which folders that those resources can be found in. There are also resources that are linked directly to this page here also. And beneath those are the folders that correspond to the table of contents page. If you need help finding any resources for your Springboard program, be sure to use those table of contents pages to look for the folders or reach out to your program leader or coach.